Alright, today we're going to show you how to replace an IGU on a window. The tools that I will be using today is a mallet, a deglazing tool, and a 5-in-1 tool. If you don't have a deglazing tool, you can use an X-Acto knife or a putty knife. What you'll want to do is lift the window up several inches, you'll tilt it in, remove the sash. First step of doing this is you measure the glass to make sure you have the right size glass to be replaced. I'm going to take my 5-in-1 tool, my little mallet, and I'm going to remove the glazing beads. What I'll do is go right on the edge right here, give it a couple little taps, and it pops right out. Then you'll remove it. Once you have the glazing beads removed, you'll then flip the sash over. Alright, once you have the sash flipped over, you'll take your deglazing tool and you'll go around the perimeter of the glass. And what you're doing is you're cutting it free from the glazing bead. Once you have that, you'll then remove the sash and get rid of the old piece of glass. Now you have your glass right here, and this is the glazing tape. Alrighty, once you have the glass removed, you're then going to want to remove the glazing tape around the whole perimeter of the sash. I use a 1/2-inch chisel, like I said. You just scrape it, comes right off. You want to get about 90% of it off. Alright, once you have all the glazing tape removed, you're then going to want to reapply some new glazing tape. Alrighty, once you have the new tape put on, you'll then remove the blue backing. Once you have this stuff done, you'll then want to add the setting blocks. You do not want the glass to sit directly on the vinyl. If you look at the sashes, there's actually drain holes. So if water gets in there, it's allowed to escape. If we don't use these, the glass is just going to sit on there and block it. When you put these on, it goes around the whole perimeter of the sash. Once we have that, we take our new piece of glass, drop it right down in there. Take your setting blocks and push them down. Once that step is done, you'll then snap the glazing beads back in. You can actually use your fingers and press it, or you can use the mallet and tap it in. Once you have the new piece of glass in, you're good. Put the sash back into the frame. Start by dropping one side in, then take the other side and drop it in. Close the window. Make sure everything is operating correctly. And you're all set. All right, we're going to show you how to replace an IGU on a casement or picture window. Same concept as a double hung, other than the glazing beads being a little bit different. What you'll want to do is you'll want to find about the middle, take your 5-in-1, and what you'll do is you'll just tap. You'll get it in like so, and just turn a little bit. And what you'll do is you'll just work your way all the way up. And then I'll go back down. We'll go back up one more time. Once you have it like so, and then slides right out. Once you have that one off, then you can just start at one edge all the way around.